Cooking can be both an art and a science, and the Overmont cast iron Dutch oven with skillet lid is here to revolutionize your kitchen experience. This 2-in-1 cookware set is designed to offer versatility, durability, and unmatched heat distribution, ensuring that every meal you prepare is cooked to perfection. Whether you are a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, this Dutch oven can handle a wide variety of cooking tasks with ease. From roasting meats, baking bread, and sautéing vegetables to making soups, stews, and casseroles, the Overmont cast iron Dutch oven is your go-to cookware for all your favorite recipes. Let's take a deep dive into its features and why it's a must-have in every kitchen. Key features. One of the standout features of this Dutch oven is its innovative 2-in-1 design. The shallow skillet lid can also be used as the lid for the deep skillet pot, transforming it into a versatile Dutch oven. This unique design means you get two essential cooking tools for the price of one, saving you space in your kitchen and offering multiple cooking options. The skillet lid is perfect for baking non-knead bread, while the deep pot works wonders for roasting, simmering stews, and making soups. Cast iron is known for its ability to retain and distribute heat evenly, making it an ideal material for cooking. The Overmont cast iron Dutch oven ensures that your food is cooked consistently and efficiently, reducing the risk of hot spots that could burn your dishes. Whether you're sautéing, frying, or baking, the heat will be evenly distributed across the surface, allowing your food to cook uniformly and enhancing the flavors in your recipes. Plus, the cast iron retains heat well, which is perfect for slow cooking and simmering. Many cast iron products require a long seasoning process before they're ready for use. Fortunately, the Overmont cast iron Dutch oven comes pre-seasoned with high-quality vegetable oil, ensuring it's ready to use right out of the box. No need for multiple layers of seasoning, just grab your ingredients and you're good to go. This pre-seasoning also ensures that the cookware develops a natural, non-stick surface with use, making it easier to clean and more efficient over time. The Overmont cast iron Dutch oven is not just for one type of cooking, it's a true multitasker in the kitchen. With this set, you can sear meats on the stovetop, achieving that perfect golden crust, fry crispy chicken, fish, or vegetables, bake bread, casseroles, and pizzas in the oven, slow cook stews and soups with its excellent heat retention, grill steaks, burgers, or vegetables on the stovetop or grill. Whether you're preparing a weeknight dinner for the family or meal prepping for the week, this cookware set can handle it all, making it an excellent addition to your kitchen. One of the biggest challenges with cast iron cookware is handling it safely while it's hot. The Overmont Dutch oven addresses this by featuring two integrated handles, a 4.8-inch main handle and a secondary ear handle. These handles provide a safe, secure grip while transferring the pot from stovetop to oven or moving it around the kitchen. However, it's important to note that these handles can get hot, so it's recommended to use cooking gloves when handling the cookware. Cast iron is known for its durability, and the Overmont cast iron Dutch oven is no exception. With proper care, this pot can last a lifetime and even be passed down to future generations. It is resistant to rust, stains, and corrosion, making it a long-term investment in your cooking toolkit. Cast iron is also incredibly sturdy, which means it won't warp, bend, or lose its shape over time, even when subjected to high heat. Whether you have a gas stove, an induction cooktop, or prefer grilling outdoors, the Overmont cast iron Dutch oven is compatible with a variety of heat sources. You can use it on your stovetop, oven, or grill, making it the perfect cookware for both indoor and outdoor cooking. It can withstand temperatures well above what's safe for non-stick pans, so you can bake, roast, and grill without any concerns. Maintaining cast iron cookware can be intimidating for some, but with the Overmont Dutch oven, the process is simple. After cooking, it's important to dry the pot completely to prevent rusting. While the pot is still warm, lightly oil the inside with your choice of cooking oil to maintain the seasoning. This ensures that the pot remains non-stick and in excellent condition for years. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a home cook, baker, or seasoned chef, the Overmont cast iron Dutch oven is an excellent choice. It's perfect for housewarmings, weddings, birthdays, or any special occasion. Its versatility, durability, and stylish design make it a gift that will be cherished and used frequently. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.